Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload photos to Google Drive and create a shareable link. Whether you want to back up your pictures or share them with others, we will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. On the Google Drive dashboard, we will create a folder. Let's name this folder Photos. Once the folder is created, double-click it to open it. Now we will add some photos from our computer to Google Drive. Click on New and then select File Upload. Next, go to the location where your photos are saved and select the pictures you want to upload. We can choose as many pictures as we want, all of them, or just a few. Make sure to include this one. Once we are done selecting, click Open and the photos will start uploading. The photos are now uploaded. Now to share them, if we want to share all the photos at once, we will share the entire folder. Right-click the Photos folder, go to Share, and click Share. In the General Access section, change the setting to Anyone with the link. Now we can copy the link and send it to anyone we want. Let's confirm the link works. When we open it, we will be taken straight to the photos. As we can see, all the photos are right there. That's it. Our photos are now uploaded to Google Drive, and with the shareable link we just created, sharing them with anyone is quick, simple, and secure.